Hello grade 6. Today we will complete lesson 3, part 2 about law of conservation of mass. Page 42. Let's start. Law of conservation of mass. If you remember from the last video, we spoke about the two types of changes, physical change and the chemical change. We know that matter can change by two means. Here, the ice, when the ice melts, this is physical change because, as we said, the water will stay water. And here, when we burn the wood, this is a chemical change because wood will change completely into new matter. What is the law of conservation of mass? The law of conservation of mass, it says that during chemical and physical change, mass doesn't change, but it transforms or changes to another form. Mass can't be created or destroyed. Let's see examples for this. Here, in this physical change, here we have the glass here filled with 100-gram ice cubes. What happens after melting? Melting of ice, as we know, this is a change of state, so this is physical change. It changes to liquid water. And here also the glass filled with 100-gram liquid water. So in this case, the mass changed. What do you think? The answer is no, because here we have 100 gram of water, and after the physical change, we still have 100 gram of water. So in this case, the mass doesn't change. Let's see also another example. Conservation of mass in physical change. Here, this is the robot. We have the pieces here. And after rearranging the pieces, look here, we took this gray piece, we put it down here. And we changed it a little bit in the shape of the robot, but keeping the same pieces inside here. So if we count here how many pieces we have, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If we count also on the other side, after rearranging the pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in the two pictures, we have the same number of pieces. So this means that the mass of this robot will be the same like the mass here after rearranging the robot. So this physical change also they have the same mass before the change and after the change, and this is what means law of conservation of mass. Let's see also the chemical change. In chemical change, we have here this piece of coal. Before we burn it, the mass of it is 100 gram. After burning, or the same mass after burning. So someone will tell me how, miss, we will have the same mass, because the coal here will change to ash and gas, carbon dioxide gas. So inside this container, we still have the gas and the ash. So both of them together, they have the same mass of the coal before burning. So coal is completely burned. What do you observe? What do you observe? That the mass here before burning, the same mass after burning. The mass before reaction equal the mass after reaction. Here we put vinegar and baking soda together. The mass here before the reaction of the vinegar and the baking soda will be the same mass after the reaction, because the mass of the baking soda and vinegar will change to carbon dioxide. Summary for today, that during any physical or chemical changes, the mass can't be created or destroyed, but is only transfer of conservation of mass. So again, mass doesn't change. Mass change form from solid to liquid to gas, but at the end we still have the same amount of mass. Today we will have homework. The homework will be page 45 in the book. Question from question 1 to question 6. And here is the page from the book. In case you don't have your book, you can copy these question in your copybook and answer them. What means physical change? What means chemical change? What is the law of conservation of mass? As we said today, that mass cannot be created or destroyed. in a chemical and physical change. We will give example in question 4. Give an example of physical change and an example for chemical change. From the previous video, we had many examples for physical change and chemical change. You can choose one of each to write down here. Question 5. How is a chemical change different from physical change? There is major difference between chemical change and physical change. You have to write it here. Question 6. Suppose a log's mass is 5 kg. A piece of wood, its mass is 5 kg. After burning, the mass of ash is 1 kg. Explain what may happen to the other 4 kg. What happened to the rest 4 kg? What happened to them? What do you think? Exactly like burning a coal. They are released as gas. So we will do from question 1 till question 6 homework, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.